Hey, Roxana gang. Hey, y'all. Hey. Hey, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, y'all. So, y'all, I want to tell y'all about a package I received, y'all. Javy Coffee. So, I already tried this coffee, y'all, and I have nothing but good things to say about it. It's a coffee concentrate. It's just a regular flavor coffee. You get 35 servings in this bottle. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make. It's easy and convenient. So all you need is 2 teaspoons. The top just pops up. 2 teaspoons. Right in your cup. It's the consistency. Add your hot water. I'm just going to use my Keurig for the water. If you know me, you know I love coffee. I am a coffee drinker. Y'all, Javy Coffee comes in several different flavors. Caramel, original decaf, mocha, and French vanilla. Javy Coffee is also gluten-free, dairy-free, and sugar-free. This coffee is so easy to make, you guys. Just fill your mug with hot or cold water, whichever you prefer. Drop 1 to 2 teaspoons of Javy Coffee concentrate. Add your favorite creamer, flavoring, or topping. So, y'all, I've been using Javy for the past 3 days, and I love it. I simply love it. It's easy. It's convenient. It's quick. You have options. You can have it hot. You can have it cold. You get 35 cups of coffee from this one concentrate. You can bring it with you, y'all. You can drop it in your purse or your work bag or your backpack and bring it along with you. So you'll always have coffee. I love it. I would not tell you about it if I didn't like it myself. It's very tasty. I have no complaints. So Javy Coffee, my link will be in the description. There's a discount code. Take advantage, y'all. If you're a coffee drinker, give it a try. It also comes with this neat little recipe books. It gives you different recipes on how to make different types of coffees and treats. So yeah, y'all, I recommend this coffee. I really like it. And you get a discount. So why not give it a try? Yep, so Javy Coffee, y'all. It's very convenient, very delicious, and I think you all would agree. Check the description.
Like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I.
Hey, Roxana gang. Hey, y'all. Hey. Hey, y'all. Happy Tuesday, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, January the 6th. Y'all, it's 7:15 a.m. I'm running behind because I like to leave home by 7. And it's 7:15. And I'm just gonna getting on the road. But anywho, hey y'all, hey, how y'all been? Y'all, your girl been a little under the weather. I had a bug, y'all, that wasn't quite the flu. I really don't know what it was. Put it like that. I don't know what it was. It felt like the flu. Yeah, y'all, people still just, just getting sick. Y'all, what I was dealing with was a cough, a lingering cough, excessive mucus, a cold in your throat, sinuses draining, headache, very bad headache, chills. So I think I didn't take my temp, but I think I had a temperature, and then it broke. because at first I was hot and sweating, and then I got cold with the chills. So yeah, y'all, it's just a lot. But yeah, y'all, that's what I was dealing with. I'm feeling a lot better. I just thugged it out, y'all. I thugged it out. I'm a lot better now. Still have like a little cold and slight cough. So yeah, I made up my mind that, you know, when I'm going into these stores and stuff, I'm gonna start back wearing a mask just for my own safety. I don't know about anybody else, y'all, but I still use sanitizer, like when I go in the stores and come out. I mean, nothing is foolproof, but you know, I do still sanitize my hands, wash my hands as soon as I get home. Anytime I go anywhere, any stores, gas station, all that stuff, as soon as I get home, I wash my hands. I mean, but you touch stuff, you know, when you pump gas, when you get back in your car, what you do? You touch your door handle. Then you get in your car, then you might touch something while you're looking for your sanitizer. So it's a lot, y'all. You really have to constantly keep wiping down, sanitizing and cleaning everything, you know. You know, you're not going to be perfect about it, but I guess we just got to get back to doing, you know, a little something. So anyway, like I said, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm on my way to work. I made me some iced coffee. So the Javy coffee that I made this morning, y'all, I put it on ice and took it with me. And y'all, this coffee, I wouldn't bring y'all something if I wouldn't use it myself. That's why I've been had it, but I wanted to use it, and I wasn't, you know, I wasn't feeling good, so I really wasn't trying to drink coffee that much. But now that I'm feeling better, I finally tried it, and I really like it. So I said, okay, it's something I can do. Yeah, so if you're a coffee drinker, you will not be disappointed. It's really good. It's really delicious. You just use 2 teaspoons. It's concentrated, so use two teaspoons. Put it in your cup, and then you add your hot water, and you just use it like, you know, put your cream, your sugar, whatever you use, you know, to dress your coffee. You do that, and it's really easy and it's really good, really convenient. It says you get 35 servings, so you know. That's a lot. That's like over a month. If you drink a coffee a day, you get a month. You get a month in a week. Well, a month in a few days. So, yeah, but I'm happy. I'm happy they reached out to me because I am a coffee drinker and I'm loving it. So, if you're interested, if you're a coffee drinker and you just want to try it, use my code. It's going to be linked below. I have a discount code. And yeah. I think you will enjoy it. Anyway. Y'all, this vlog is going to be a dump. So what I'm doing is, because I wasn't feeling well, I was recording off and on. So a lot of stuff just probably won't make sense. I might be doing one thing and then it might just jump to something else because that's how I was recording. I was just randomly. So I'm just cleaning out my storage and starting over again. So yeah, y'all, this vlog is random. You know, it's gonna, I don't know, I think it's gonna go back actually 2 weekends. It's gonna go back 2 weekends is where it starts. So
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always leave me feeling.
Ooh. Now these are cute. Oh, these are the tulips, huh? This the same thing? This is like the bulb. Oh, okay. They should be giving them away because they look dry. Hey y'all. So me and Corey just got back from Trader Joe's. I'll show you what I bought. I got this non-dairy ice cream. It's an oat. It's called the oat frozen dessert. Vanilla bean. I've had this before. It's really good. I got one of those. Everything else is my first time trying. This is a Trader Joe's brand garlicky pasta. It's like the lo mein. And it is in a creamy garlic sauce. So, that. I got 12 K-cups of medium roast coffee. This mushroom melody. I can eat this over some rice. It's in some kind of sauce. Seasoned with olive oil, garlic, and parsley. Mushrooms. I'm probably gonna eat these tonight. This is Trader Joe's brand, and it's a mini vegetable samosas. So they're like potatoes. Okay, vegetable filling and Indian spices wrapped in a crisp, flaky pastry. So that sounds good. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna put these in the air fryer. And I got some Trader Joe's hash browns for breakfast in the morning. So, oh, and last but not least, the coconut body butter. I got 2 of them. And for all of that, my total came to, it's not 3, so my total came to $34.45. $34.45. Wasn't bad. So, all right, y'all. Hey, Reptile Gang. Hey, y'all. Hey. Hey, y'all. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, y'all. Let me see. It is Saturday, January the 27th. Yep. January the 27th. I was about to say I haven't done much today, y'all, but then I would be lying. I have done a lot. So I was with grandkids earlier today, and shoot, I fixed them breakfast. I fixed them lunch. I did a lot. So now they're going to, their mom took them to a birthday party. And when she took them, I got a chance to really get out and do what I had to do. I just had to do what I always have to do. I had to run to the grocery store, y'all. So today I went to Rouses. I got some tea for the house. I got some milk. Real quick, y'all, I got me some tomatoes. I'm the only one in the house that eats them. I got these little, what do they call these? Tortillas. Some soft ones to eat my food with. Try to lay off the bread a little bit. I don't know if this is any better than bread. It says 0 carbs, high fiber, 0 sugars. That's really what I need. So I think this is better than bread. So I'm trying to wean off of bread. I love bread, y'all, but I have to find a way. I gotta find a way to get off of it, y'all. I have me 2 cucumbers, a big stalk of celery that I'm gonna clean and cut up, some baby spinach. I got these moon pies and the vanilla and the banana. Some Chips Ahoy for the cookie jar and some chips. That's it, y'all. I think that is it, y'all. I put up the bread. I did get a loaf of bread. I put that up already. And that's everything. Yep. So I did that. I think I'm gonna cook some red beans tomorrow, y'all. You know, red beans is like a thing around here. We do it a lot, but we like it. It is what it is. Normally we do it on Mondays, but I cook Sunday, and it's for Sunday and Monday. So Corey was supposed to do the red beans, y'all, but I'm tired of waiting. So, well, scratch that. Might not be able to do that, y'all. I've been having issues with my stove. So actually we're going tomorrow morning to look at a stove. One burner went out, the largest burner. The 2 back burners, they're working normal, but they're small burners. The second largest burner in the front is acting up. So one is out, one is either on or off. So you know how you have low, medium, high. When you turn it on, it's just high. And then you turn it off and it's off. There's no in between. So Corey said it must be the motherboard that went out. And motherboards are high. So we may as well just get a new stove, y'all. So we're gonna get a new stove. I'm not gonna get, it's a Samsung. I'm not gonna get Samsung. Because I'm just not. I'm gonna look for Frigidaire. Because my microwave is Frigidaire. My refrigerator is Frigidaire. So I'm going to try to get me a Frigidaire stove this time, y'all. So I'm going to be going look for that tomorrow with him. Now my real plan for today, y'all, was to clean the pantry. It's 6 o'clock. It depends on how I feel later. I still may do it. I could do that, you know, whenever I get ready. No set time. I still may do that today. And y'all, I bought the paint and everything to start painting the kitchen. I haven't started because I just always, it's never the right time. It's just never the right time. I'm gonna try to start tomorrow. I'm gonna try. At least get the dining area started. And once I start, that's it. I'm gonna keep going because it's gonna bother me to be incomplete. You know, I just have to get it started. So anyway, y'all, that's all I have going on this Saturday. So I'm about to put these few little groceries up. I think I'm going to I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I think I'm just gonna snack on a cucumber for now. Maybe slice me up a cucumber and a tomato and eat that. Sit down for a few minutes and then I may start on this pantry. Y'all, I can't wait to paint because I'm just gonna go ahead on and do the walls, the pantry doors, like the molding, all that's gonna be the same color. Everything's gonna be the same color. So yeah, I'm excited about that. New dining room set coming once the paint finishes. New bar stools. This blue gotta go. Kendall told me to keep these bar stools, y'all. She want them. Blue is actually her favorite color, so she's like, well, you know, when I move out, that's one less thing I gotta buy. I agree, but I gotta store them. I gotta put them in either the garage or in the shed in the back. But they definitely have to go. I'll save them for her. That's no problem. But they gotta get up out of here. So, all right, y'all. That's what I got going on, and I shall call y'all back.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally, I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spot.